Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we're unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite portable console. Okay, this is just the console and some cable. That's how the side of the box looks. Some codes. And let's try to open up. Okay. What do we have here? It's probably just the console itself. Nothing more. Let's just put this box right here. And let's take a look at the contents of the box itself. Wow, here it is, guys. Here it is. Here is the back of the console. Yeah. It's so beautiful. I like. Damn, man, it's lightweight. Lightweight. The inverse buttons, where B is the no and A is yes. Japanese style. Minus, plus, one button, home button. Damn. Plus, minus, game card. What else? Turn on. Micro SD slot. You can take a look right here. It's empty, of course. And some series codes. What do we have here? 15 volt, 2.6 ampere. Japan. Okay. Nice. I wanted yellow, but decided maybe to go with the gray just for it not being as easy for the dust to collect and as easy to show that it's used. So I think this gonna be used a little bit longer. I like the weight. Okay, let's put the console to the side. Let's take a look what's more under there. Okay, we have a manual, Nintendo Switch Lite, important information. Okay, that's just for the different Nintendo Switch. I guess that's just the same manual. Goes for the Switch and Switch Lite, and now the new OLED Switch. Okay, put it to the side. Let's take a look what's inside there. And we have empty box. It is just the USB-C charger. I guess if it's 15 volts and 2.5 ampere hours, that means the power should be okay. What is it? It says 1.5A and 5 volt. So it's just 7.5 watts. Could be that it's so slow, but well. Okay, I'm gonna write it in the comments. So that was it. That was the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite in 2021. If anybody wants to see anything about Nintendo Switch, just leave a comment or press like, and if you can, tell me which games are the best for Switch. Okay, pretty much that's it. Thank you for watching, and bye.